This is Eleanor at almost 17 months. Eleanor, could you say rainbow?
Rainbow.
Rainbow. Eleanor, could you say baby?
Baby.
Can you say Eleanor?
Amy.
Eleanor. Can you say cat?
Mama.
Mau mau. Can you say hen?
Baba.
Bak bak. Can you say lion?
Wow.
Wow. Can you say dinosaur?
Dino.
Dinosaur. What does a dinosaur say? Wow. Whoa. Can you say Uma? Uma. Can you say Oompa?
Ba.
Oompa. Can you say Matt?
Ma.
Can you say Jessie?
Daddy.
Jessie. Can you say JJ?
Daddy.
JJ. Can you say Heidi?
Daddy.
Can you say Hillary?
Daddy.
Hillary. Could you say Yaya?
Dada.
Can you say Tutu?
Toto.
Can you say thank you?
Dino.
Thank you. Can you say more please?
Mommy.
More please. Can you say all done?
Undone.
All done. Can you say hello?
Hello.
Hello. Can you say goodbye?
Bye-bye.
Can you say butterfly? Oh.